I am as a human being. Yeah. And the best part today is that I am alive. We really have to cherish our lives, each one of us, whoever is here. And so, if in short, I'll tell my story. Like, I was like, if you all can see, that's my father and me. I
Oh,
lost
okay.
him last year.
Oh, I'm so
Yeah.
sorry to hear that.
So,
Yeah.
yeah. I had a lovely childhood. Okay. And everybody has a business. Okay. So my only business in life was to get married. You know,
Okay.
it was like, running away from studies, running away, because though I would pass, I had brains. But the only thing was, since I come from a caste background where, education is given lots and lots of importance, like you will find IAS, IPS, and everyone. Okay. So, and even my dad, whatever he was like, like how he struggled, how he was a self-made man, a fantastic orator, an engineer, and a businessman, everything. It really, really would inspire.
Hmm.
And so on. So at the age of like, we are five brother and sister, like two elder brothers and three sisters,
Hmm.
and I'm the fourth one. And so when my elder brother and my elder sister got married, so proposals started pouring in, and I got married to a guy from Juhu at a very early age.
Hmm.
And the criteria was that he lived in Juhu, which is a very posh locality, and I'd heard that he was very good looking, and that was one thing that, without seeing him, I had fallen in love with him. तो मुझे था कि चलो अब तो निकल गए डैड के घर से, अब तो मेरी लाइफ विल बी बेड ऑफ रोजेस.
क्या
बट
फोटोग्राफ देख के आपको प्यार हो गया था?
नहीं नहीं, I was very happy.
अच्छा, यू आर वेरी हैप्पी.
And all my people in my society said, wow, this guy is so good, people are after him. So
हम्म.
just about that image,
हम्म.
कि इतना अच्छा है, इतना ये है, तो वो बातों से एक्चुअली प्यार हो गया था,
हम्म.
that I am getting this. Okay.
हम्म. हम्म.
And I was married, though it was unfortunate. And it was like, sort of like, I didn't want to say, but it was sort of an abusive marriage. But I thought, with all my love, and I was a weak person then. Weak means I couldn't answer for myself, I couldn't speak for myself. And since he being the only child, so it was like, he was into womanizing and everything, blah blah, whatever one can imagine. Like, I
Okay.
feel I'd seen that movie Agni Sakshi. Okay, so I could relate to my story, and it was worse than that. So when I had two children, and in that marriage, short span of marriage, it was, and I called it quits because I didn't want my children to become you know, the father's reflection. I
Mhm.
wanted them how I had grown up with values, that like how my brothers were, how I was brought up with lot of values, how my parents had created. And I like, and my like, I went through a divorce, and my parents like joyfully accepted me. They were very, and until then I had never spoken what I was going through, because I thought it was my battle, I could win him over.
Mhm.
And so I started saying it. My parents accepted me, and like, my children were taken care, I was taken care, and everything. And as you all know, in youth, how youth is. So I had like, I was there was a small relationship involved in that during that period, and it broke off. Okay. So when it broke off, I couldn't handle myself. It was very tough, and I had a nervous breakdown. And that's the time I met, and my family was so supportive. They took me to Dr. Anjali Chabria, and like, I was in such a bad state that I couldn't handle a breakup. And Anjali still, she never gave up on me. She kept on treating. Even my family didn't give up on me. And I practice Buddhism as a way of life, where you have to cherish your own life. That's why first I said that, today the best thing is that I'm alive here, sitting, and I can, talk to you all and I'm speaking to you all. And so immediately, while I was practicing Buddhism, immediately I'd gone to see a guy. Like I had a breakup, and immediately after 2 months, I think I had gone to see a guy, my best friend, and he proposed marriage to me. And within less than a month, and he accepted me as I was, though he knew I was under treatment, I was having psychiatric medicine, I was electric shocks. I'm the same person who's sitting in front of you. That was in 2000. And during that time, psychiatry, this subject was treated as, जैसे कि लोग आजकल बोलते हैं कि drug addict.
Correct.
So like I could hear कि this person, it is normally a taboo.
Correct.
It is normally a taboo, ashamed to go to a psychiatrist. They feel it's something really, really wrong. जैसे कि उनकी इज्जत चली जाएगी, लोग समझेंगे कि ये पागल है, लोग, but I never felt that. And my husband Sujoy was so loving and so affectionate that I saw a really beautiful marriage. And my his cousin and all are there today with me. And then to medicine, and I was so happy and I was totally out of my depression, out of my medicines, and life continued. And in 4.5 years, I lost my husband Sujoy for a wedding where I was supposed to join him, and he suddenly, out of food poisoning, he passed away. So when I reached, and he was alone, when I reached there and I saw his body, of course there was a lot of pain. I did the last rites, and while putting him in the while putting him in the fire, I took two things. Like either be I 4.5 years back didn't work, or should I bounce back and inspire the world with my own story? Yes, I bounced back and I came back to Bombay from Nagpur, and since I'm a part, like I said, I practice Buddhism as a way of life. So I like this. I'm a part of Sukha Gakaya International, where we all, the main thing in that is that we pray for ourselves, but we chant for others' happiness also. And everyone supported me. My family was there. They all said, like I and my two kids, they all said, you come back, you come live with us. So I knew, like I had total family support. But still I thought कि अगर कुछ नहीं होगा तो मैं उनके पास ही जाऊंगी. Though I was a housewife, and I had won many, like I was fond of cooking, and I had won many awards in cooking, internationally, or I had taken part in Times Food Fest and all. And my children were going to Jamna Bai Nursery School. So during that time, 1 month of 1 month of my husband's passing, I just stepped into Jamna Bai Nursery School, and the principal, since she knew I was catering, she offered me to cater to the entire school. So immediately, within a month, from a housewife, I became a businesswoman. Though though I'm not from a catering background, but my mother, my father, and even and my grandmother, Nani, and my Mosi, I had inherited all the skills. No, it was in my genes. So I realized that we can do anything what we want. The main thing is the main thing is that you have to be really believe in yourself. And I had become so strong by then. Nothing could defeat my peace of mind. 9,500 students, though there were ups and downs, it was a big challenge leaving the two kids at home. Mother, they would go to school, but I would keep their food in the tray, making myself really, hard inside. But I knew this hardship will make them really wonderful human beings. And so on. In 2013, I left Jamnabai because there were outside orders. So I started doing events. Events meaning it's a very word. It sounds as if ki bahut bada cheez hai. It's nothing. It's just a part of decoration and everything. Like you take charge. So along with the
of an
food,
event.
I took, I used of an event, whether it was corporate. And because of Jamnabai, I got that people started knowing me, the parents and everyone. So this is how I moved on in life. And in Anjali Chabria's kids were studying in Jamnabai. So in 2007, she met me and she was not aware like what I had gone through that time, apart from treating me in 2000. So she asked me, she saw that Neetu's kitchen board was there in Anand, one of the Anand Mela that was going on. So she asked me, I met her and I ran. She asked me, how's your husband? You are the Neetu. And she couldn't believe, I had changed into such a strong woman. And so on. So she asked me, can you, she was planning something for people who were single and going through different phases, like how she saw me strong and standing. She asked me to start the group called Single and Single Again. Okay, people who are single, whether
Neetu,
be
let
female.
Neetu, let me interrupt you for a minute out here.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry to interrupt you
Sure.
for a minute. I think what you
Sure.
have told us today, very few people will have the courage and the the honesty to come and share those parts of her life in such a forum. And you truly deserve every bit of respect that all of us can give you. There's already a comment coming from Mr. Thakur, I guess, Mr. R.N. Dubey, who says, "You have in the past 15 minutes, you have touched the heart and soul of every individual, Neetu. This transformation is so amazing that today you can be the epitome or that light or beacon of light for thousands of women who are struggling in their domestic or professional life." Dr. Nidhi Verma says, "Hats off to you, Neetuji." And I'm sure if all of us were wearing a hat today, we would all be bowing down in front of Neetu. Neetu, now that you went through this journey and you went to Jamnabai and then you started your own catering and event business, and you turned into an entrepreneurship. How did you mentioned about that Dr. Chabria motivated you to get into that single and single again kind of thing. But what motivated you to take up that?
See, in today's time, if I could be from a weak person, I could become a strong woman, right? So why can't someone else? Why can't someone else be? So I decided to be an inspiration through my own life. It's not that I was like that. See, talkative, I have always been. Whoever knows me, they know I talk too much. Amar Khatri is watching and he knows that. Like Aruna auntie is watching, I know that. Whoever knows me, मैं उन लोगों को chance देती नहीं हूँ बोलने का, खुद बोलती रहती है, and I will not listen also. I will not even listen what they are trying to tell me. And sorry, can you repeat your question?
Yeah, certainly. So I said that you went through that difficult phase, a great childhood, great family, went into a
Yes.
wrong marriage for whatever reason. Let's not now get into why it happened. It happened, right?
See,
Wrong
if some
marriage.
one sec,
सबके
let me interrupt.
yeah,
Let me interrupt.
yeah,
Wrong marriage, maybe that person, I and he didn't connect, but maybe he connected well with someone
absolutely,
else. So nobody is
absolutely.
bad.
Nobody is
That's
bad.
I
I'm not.
want to say.
No, no.
Yeah.
I'm saying.
No, I'm
Oh,
just saying, like,
no,
with due
absolutely.
respect,
With
to him. Yeah.
no, no. With due respect to everybody whom we know, I think human beings basically are not bad. It's just that we don't connect.
No, no.
It's
Yeah.
just that we
Very
don't
true.
connect. Don't connect because
Very true.
when I
Very true.
when I do my life coaching program, I've seen so many people who are great in their own capacities, but they just don't connect in the professional space or the domestic space. So it's so with all due respect to human beings, mankind, I think we as mankind are great human beings, right? Okay, you went into a wrong marriage, it did not work out the way you had envisaged. A couple of children, couple of sons, and you decided to exit that. You came back to your parents' house.
Not couple, two sons.
Acha, two. Okay, two.
Two sons, couple of sons.
Acha, two sons. Okay, be more
Sorry.
specific. Be very, very specific. I know Neetu speaks a lot. Very specific. दो बच्चे, two sons. You come back. Then you get into a marriage which was all loving, but then God probably didn't want that to last. So there
Yeah,
were
no, it's one sec. Again, I'll interrupt.
Yes, please.
See, everybody we take birth, we have to go.
Correct.
So he came for 4.5 years, but every moment is so valuable and value creating that like so many people go through 85 years of marriage, लेकिन उनके पास ना moments ही नहीं रहते हैं याद करने को. मेरे पास I have every moment was so beautiful, rather than thinking क्यों मर गया, right? I have beautiful moments when I look at the pictures. I smile. I see my wedding CDs. Like my kids say, "Ki mom, you can see Papa here on the video." So it's nothing like that. I'm not a dukhi woman.
No,
for me, it is a winning life. Coming out of all odds, but still, life में good times भी रहेंगे, bad times भी रहेंगे. But how you have to keep on moving, not holding on to anything. If you hold on, life is gone. Yeah.
वही पे आ रहा था कि it is all a function of that mindset.
Absolutely.
A strong mindset, a powerful mindset, a positive mindset. How do you manage this mindset? Because I've seen so many people, and sorry, before you answer, I've seen so many people जिनके पास सब कुछ है, but mindset नहीं है. Positive दिख ही नहीं सकते वो लोग. So
see,
what differentiates you from them, and how do you manage that mindset?
See, first thing I want to say, like, there are two ways of looking at life. I know people, बहुत लोग ने like they told my mom or told my friends कि क्या दुखी life है इसकी, कि एक शादी हुई, it was divorce, and then दूसरी हुई, she lost her husband. लेकिन I feel, कि जब आप खुद इतने strong हो जाते हो and financially independent हो जाते हो, no, financially doesn't mean कि इतना बड़ा भी हो जाए, चाहे जो भी, you have to be grounded. You have to be grounded. वो सर पे नहीं चढ़े जाना चाहिए. It's not always about money. Okay, it's not always about money. It's like, I feel कि you have to have that joy of giving, joy of sharing. If you're feeling very happy about something, so you have to share. The same way, if you're sad about something, you need to share. Like for example, abhi Sushant Singh ka hua, right? At least I wish there was someone whom he could have shared. See, there are so many speculation, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. अभी तो लोग 100 बात, no one knows other than him what he was going through.
Correct.
Correct. So I feel like अभी ये pandemic में, like I'm really enjoying myself. The reason being ki first time I'm like with my kids spending that quality time at home, and cooking different dishes every day. And second thing, I want to tell you ki, there is like when Anjali started 3 years back, Anjali Chhabria started this Golden Citizen Trust.
Okay.
So I'm a part of it with her. Amarti is there. There are many people, Tushar Bhai, Aruna Auntie, all of them. Many who are attending. I can't see all. So we all started, but we started with selflessly. Okay. And selflessly, we have almost 1,200 members. The purpose of Golden Citizen Trust was to, जो urban loneliness है, right? वो हटाने के लिए we started. And we did selfless work, like we have like how Amarji conducts this, senior citizen thing every Saturday, and every Saturday, second Saturday, okay, and second Saturday or first Saturday. Sorry, Amarji, I'm getting little confused in that, but every week it is there, So everybody, everyone is looking forward to attend, and always.
Sorry to interrupt you. It is
second
Saturday.
Yeah.
It is second Saturday, Neetu.
Second Saturday. Yeah. Thank you. And so we started with a selfless thing, and we all contributed money. All of us, whereas we are 7-8 of us. Jayant Bhai, Jayanti Bhai. There are many others, to name. And we started with a vision. We all used to put money, and continuously till this March, we had 6th को last program था हमारा होली का. We had kept Holi program, and उसके बाद तो immediately lockdown और कोरोना का सब कुछ आने लग गया. So we had to keep it. But we started. But उसके तुरंत बाद Anjali along with Dr. Alka started a group called Corona Samaritans. Okay, where doctors from all over, we don't even know them, but everyone we got together. Now I think we are more than 200 people. I don't even know, right? Everyone joined our mission.
Have we lost her for a minute? I think so. I think we have lost the connectivity with Neetu. Just give it a minute for her to come back. These are the challenges the digitization era is giving to us. Corona has forced us to jump to 10 years as far as digitization is concerned without having the ready infrastructure. Just give it a minute for her to come back. Amazing story of Miss Neetu.
So, can you hear me?
I can. Yes, please.
So, I'm Dr. Nidhi Verma.
Yes,
and
let
me just utilize the small time which Neetu ji has given me the opportunity
Absolutely, Dr. Nidhi.
I would like to say that it's God's wish that I got connected with this wonderful group headed by Dr. Anjali Chhabria. She happens to be my senior from Grant Medical College, Mumbai. I have not met her, I have not seen her, but all I can say, sir, that this full group is a group of angels, sir. I can vouch for that because I have been associated with them for the last nearly 2.5 months. And they're all amazing. मेरे को बस लग रहा कि कब इन सबको मिलके मैं एक जादू की झप्पी दूं, because इस कलयुग में ऐसा लोग मिलना बहुत कठिन है, sir. It's very difficult.
So in what connection, in what capacity are you connected with them, Dr. Nidhi?
Sorry.
So, are you a practitioner?
Sorry.
Yeah, no
sorry,
problems,
you get
no
me.
problems, Neetu.
No problems, Neetu. Neetu ji, आप sorry मत बोलो. आपने दूसरे चैटर बॉक्स को मौका दिया बात करने का. I'm thankful to you, sir. So I was just saying that it happened that in our GMC, the Grant Medical College group, one doctor called Dr. Anita Hemani had put something regarding this social service which these people are doing, and I got very much attracted. So I remember I had sent some 3-4 messages on Dr. Anjali's phone, some WhatsApp messages, and somebody kept answering. But जिस तरह से मुझे desperation हो रहा था कुछ पूछने का, वो answer मुझे मिल नहीं रहा था. Finally, I think I realized that that phone was with some staff member of Anjali madam, and Anjali ji ने फिर खुद आके मुझे लिखा कि आप मुझे फोन कीजिए. एंड मुझे तो ऐसा लगा मेरे को भगवान ही मिल गया. एंड द वे शी टॉक टू मी, मैं तो ऐसा मंत्र मुग्ध हो गई एकदम से. मेरे बोला क्या मीठी आवाज है. एंड देन
Dr. Niti, sometimes I'm sure we want to hear that part of the story, because you and I also have a different connect. That while I'm not a doctor, I'm also did my post graduation from Grand Medical College, so we have a connect there.
Great.
So
Chakaraka.
that was long time back. 1991 I passed out from that. So Neetu is here. Neetu, I wanted to ask you.
Sir, I was in GMC that time then.
Okay, hoga. Okay. I was in the biochemistry. So we'll connect.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Neetu, I wanted to ask
you. Welcome, Anjali.
Anjali is also here.
Anjali is here. Hi, Anjali. So if I miss something, Anjali, you can always say.
No, I think Neetu, this is the greatest tribute that you and I could get by Dr. Anjali personally logging into this program. I think that is one of the greatest tributes and that shows the importance and the great work that you continue to do, Neetu. And again, salute and hats off to you. Okay. Now, coming back to this single. You say you have 1,200 members. Fantastic.
No. Golden Citizen Trust.
Sorry, Golden.
Golden Citizen Trust. We started 300 back. 300. I'm saying 3 years back. 3 years back. So to eradicate urban loneliness.
Correct.
Like,
understand. Can I interrupt
you?
Yeah. So you told us that story. I think other members in this room are also part of that forum, and you guys, Mr. Khatri is part of that group, and you guys put in a lot of money and do a lot of effort, a lot of programs around it.
Correct.
My question to you is, Neetu.
Yeah.
How do people who are lonely actually get connected? Because somewhere down the line, I'm sure you have 1,200 members, but in this vast population of 20 crore, urban loneliness is a big challenge today. What do you think people should be doing who are lonely at home? It could be kids, it could be senior citizens, and it's more to do with the senior citizens because they have nobody to talk to even today, right? What is your suggestion for this vast number of senior citizens who are lonely and sitting at home and don't know what to do?
They don't know there is so much to do. Like in today's time, like Abhi, like in this had never happened in the course of like when I was born until now. That hame itna time we have got with our families. Like whatever it is, ultimately we are human beings. Forget that I'm doing this food business or I'm doing this or that. Like I said, like I'm cooking for my kids. I'm cooking, and then this like talking to people. This the corona semaji, okay, talking to people who are going through tough times or who are feeling low, or just like it is very important when you share your joy, you should share your sorrows also, which will help people to really come out in open rather than chupke say baith jana. And especially like how you were asking about senior citizen. Okay, that's the reason we had started this Golden Citizen group, because क्या होता है हम देखते हैं कि like सब लोग जब शादी हो जाती है, like parents get their children married and everything happens, they think कि अब तो हमने सब कुछ कर दिया, अब तो मेरे लाइफ में कुछ है ही नहीं, और एक रूम में चुपचाप बैठे रहते हैं. And the children also don't realize कि कि मतलब पेरेंट्स का काम है, पेरेंट्स हैं तो उनका काम है ड्यूटी देखना. दो टचवुड in my house it is not there, my brothers are really taking care of my mother and all, but I'm telling you usually in many homes I've seen, in general I'm talking, कि वो सोचते हैं कि वो सीनियर सिटीजन मतलब सीनियर हैं, तो वो एक रूम में बैठ सकते हैं, उनको अपना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देख के अपना घूमने निकल गए जहाँ पे। लेकिन उनका भी सी योर हार्ट एंड माइंड इज फॉर एवर यंग. इट्स नॉट दैट आपका बॉडी ओल्ड है, लेकिन इवन व्हाई दे हैव स्पेंड देयर लाइव्स ब्रिंगिंग यू अप, बड़ा किया है, सब कुछ किया है, इवन दे जब टाइम होता है सब फ्री हो जाने का, तो दैट्स द टाइम दे आर सिटिंग इन वन रूम, दे गेट डिप्रेस, उनको लगता है कि भगवान भाई जल्दी उठाए मुझे, ऑल दोस थॉट्स कीप ऑन कमिंग. So that was the main purpose of that Golden Citizen Trust, to remove that loneliness. We have this fashion shows, we have musical programs, which actually they tell us now we really feel ki there is life beyond home. Like someone was in the holy program, like 2-3 like were sharing with me and Anjali and all of us that after coming to the group like 3 years se jo chal raha hai, ki we have started planning our holidays yahan wahan, and they really look forward to coming here. कुछ ऐसा, क्योंकि हमने कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन रखा ही नहीं है कि हम इतना पैसा उनसे मांग रहे हैं या कुछ है. इट्स अ सेल्फलेस ग्रुप. So we need to keep them involved, and secondly, they have so much of experience, they have gathered so much of experience that I tell them that you all should go and share it with people, right? What they have gone through, because that learning, everyday learning is also very, very important for us. So with that, like people have started finding the joy of living, like Anjali, you want to add something? Please add.
This is yeah, I'm here. This is your show. I want you to talk, and I'm here to listen to you. And I'm very, very proud of you, Neetu. I think all of us are.
All of us
and
are.
Malloy, thank you so much for doing this.
No,
yes.
No,
so
Dr.
Neetu,
Anjali,
you are our pillar.
Dr.
Yes.
Anjali, I've never met you. I've heard a lot about you from other platforms as well, and today I'm hearing from Neetu. But one thing that bothers me personally is, even in this lockdown era, where a lot of people are working from home, there is this conflict between office time, family time, and me time, because everything is under that same roof. Earlier these were at different locations. Now everything. So when I mentor and coach people, I see this tremendous challenge that has come up in families, that how do you balance this office time, family time, and the me time? And this is leading to conflicts. And what I'm seeing is, and I may be wrong, or you have different experiences, what I'm seeing is, the beginning of the lockdown, families were closer, but I see barriers now coming up, because you just can't manage this conflict anymore. It's been 2.5 months. And especially in small houses where there are 5-6 people, and Bombay being how it is, like how expensive it is. And hence these are the thoughts that bothers me. And I thought, let me ask you, to what should these people do? How do they manage themselves? So बोलिए नीतू जी.
हम बहुत प्यार से मैनेज करते हैं, बल्कि टाइम ही नहीं रहता. मैं तो if you call me at 2 o'clock also, na, my voice is turn like I'm fully charged.
No, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about this large group of people who today I'm sure a lot more people will hear about the Golden Citizen Trust, right? But honestly, I have not heard about it, being far away from Bandra and Andheri and Juhu, which part. Here we had not heard about it. So I know a lot of people are today struggling. What message do you have for them? That's mainly the senior citizens.
Mainly the senior citizens, I feel like how I said, they have so much of experience, right? And firstly, I would request, if you know them, please give our numbers, which you have. I'll give it to you and tell them to join. Okay. And which will help them to know their worth also. you know, because people start looking down on themselves only. They lose hope.
That self-esteem चला
So
जाता है.
it's very important. Yeah, self-esteem, because I know many organizations करते हैं लेकिन वो मुंह पे दिखाने के लिए करते हैं. लेकिन हम actually करते हैं. You know how I pass my time other than whatever I have to do. I love going, you know, like कोई भी program करना for GCT, like Golden Citizen Trust and all, because you get so involved कि आपके mind को time ही नहीं मिलता सोचने को. See, even I can get depressed, you know, if I have thoda khali time, right? Like during this time, not only I'm doing my exercise, right? Not only I'm learning singing, not only I'm dancing, but I'm doing everything which will, you know, because music lightens your mood, and everything you should do everything. There is no age. It's not that कि हम बचपन में ये सीखना चाहते थे तो अभी नहीं कर सकते हैं. Everything, there is everything possible. Connect to your friends, you know, whom you have not spoken for long. Connect to everybody. Connect to everybody. You know, that's what I will say. And it's so
Malloy,
it's so
Malloy,
very
can I
important.
add something here?
Yeah,
Can I add
please,
something here?
absolutely,
Yes,
Dr.
okay,
Anjali.
yes, okay. So I'll one thing which we have been telling everybody to do is just divide your day into 5. Okay, one part of the day do whatever work you're supposed to do. You know, if you're a housewife, you have to cook, whatever you need to do. One part of the day do what you always wanted to do. You know, like how Neetu is saying, she's singing, she's dancing, and you really don't need to even spend money for that. You can just put on the TV and you can start doing it yourself. You know, all of us have a television in the house. Third part of the day, connect with people outside, you know, your friends, your family, people you haven't spoken to, you know. One part of the day, look after yourself, your mind, your body, your soul. So, you know, reading, taking care of your body, eating properly, sleeping well, very, very important. Okay, and not allowing the mind to get crowded with negativity and negative thoughts, which are so rampant. You know, so in that, I would also say restrict the number of TV hours you're watching, or the COVID news you're watching, or even the WhatsApp messages that you get, you know. And the 5th part of the day is very, very important, and that is doing something for someone else. Okay, it could be as simple as watering a plant because you're giving the plant water, or keeping water in your balcony for some birds to come and drink, to helping your neighbor when you're going out shopping, just asking them, do you need something, to picking up the phone and asking someone who you know is living alone. You know, I think when we do that, that itself makes your life worth living. You know, in our group that Neetu is talking about, our youngest member is 15, who was giving her 10th standard exams, and she, you know, she got pretty lost. And the oldest is 85. Okay, and the best part is every morning the 85-year-old Dr. Kapoor tells us what we are supposed to do. I think she has so much energy. She has more energy than all of us put together. You know, so I think these are examples which teach us that as long as you're doing for someone else, you don't have time to look at your pain. You know, so Neetu, just to help you out with what senior citizens should be doing.
No, Dr. Anjali,
back to you.
I love that. I love that splitting the day into 5 parts. I love that concept.
See, I can. Anjali, I think you should keep on speaking. See the joy on Moller's face.
No.
I'm surrounded by such fabulous people, so the joy has to be there. No, I just want to move. I just want to move one step.
Malloy, I want to tell you one more thing about Neetu. Okay,
yes,
while the healthcare workers are helping the whole world today, okay, Neetu has been taking care of them. She has been taking care of doctors. So if I find doctors going low, you know, I just tell Neetu, I said, Neetu, you need to talk to them. You need to take care of them. So right from sending food to people who are going through quarantine, to picking up the phone and chatting with them and making them laugh, you know, I think that's so important. You know, to delivering medicines to senior citizens. Okay, you know, sometimes you need someone else to talk about you. So I'm telling you all the things that she has been doing in the last 2.5 months, you know.
I think.
So, I mean, she's my inspiration, and that's why I'm here today.
No, today I have two inspirations
and
in front of
Anjali
me.
is my
No,
no,
today I
and
have two. So
Anjali
you
is
can.
the one.
So between Neetu and Dr. Anjali, you can decide whose inspiration. I have two inspirations.
No, she's like a second mother to me, though she's a very
Fantastic.
close friend now. But yeah, she's the one who gave me birth again, the
Yeah.
thing to, because she listened to all my issues when I was going through that depressive phase.
Hmm.
So she's like a second mother
So
to me.
very important to find the right person with whom you can be actually yourself. And I think you have found Anjali, and Dr. Anjali has found you, and I'm sure Dr. Anjali herself is pretty well. She can take care of not only us, but she can take care of
She,
herself as well.
and
Now I
the
want
entire nation.
she can take care of the entire nation, and today the entire nation needs people
She
like her.
is,
Yeah.
she
So,
is.
someday I hopefully at some point in time after the lockdown is over, I would personally want to go and meet her and so that
Yeah,
she can
and get your brain checked. Okay.
get my brain checked. Okay. Uh, Neetu, in this lifetime, the brain nothing can happen to the brain. It's gone forever. So, okay. On a serious note, I want you to now
Yeah.
focus on another area, which is a very big mental health problem that has come up in the COVID era, and that is primarily to do with the youth. Because I teach in multiple B schools in Bombay and overseas, Bombay, Delhi, and Dubai, Singapore. I get so many calls from so many students. Sir, our internships were to start, बंद हो गया, पता नहीं life किस तरफ जाएगा, whether I will find the right job. There's so much of downsizing. I'm coaching a guy. He's about 28, 29 years old. About 3 months back, he had sought a bank loan, and the bank approvals had all come in. And because the approvals had come in, he had gone and made that initial payment to the builders from his own funds. Last week, he got a letter from the bank that please show us your new salary slip, and that you still have a job, and you still have a job at that same salary. And because his salary was cut because of the COVID, the banks are now forcing him to take a lower loan because his salary will not be able to take care of the earlier loan. He says, sir, paisa kahan se leke aun? Because I've already paid to the builders. So there are so many challenges that have come in with the youth today. People losing jobs, people having cuts in their salaries, people education not getting completed. Harvard, like somebody took an admission in Harvard because she wanted to study overseas, but now Harvard is saying you do online from Bombay. You cannot come here to the campus for the next 1 year. How do you manage? What would you recommend to all? And I will take the benefit of Dr. Anjali also being in this room. What would you recommend to all this youth who are today lost, who are feeling absolutely lost about their careers, about their finances, about their future? They see a bleak side. I keep on trying to tell them that life is not always the same. There is a positive side on the other side of the hill, but still such a lot of people are lost. What would you recommend to them, Neetu?
I think Anjali, please answer this.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure. So I think, you know what, we had become too used to life just going smoothly. Okay. And that is where I think we made a mistake. Okay. The fact is that life is going to go up and down. This is the year of the down. We've already finished 6 months of the year, thankfully. Okay. This year, what I've been telling all the youngsters is that this is the year where you just need to keep your head above the water. You know, we can't swim against the tides. We don't want to drown while going swimming. We just want to keep our head above the tides. Also, what I tell people, you know, where this is an economic crisis,
yes,
one is downsize. You know, so if you were going by a car, you can't, no shame. I think what we need to do is deal with the shame. And that is where people are finding it very difficult to deal with the shame. You know, there is no harm if Mr. Bachchan could go in 2008 and say that 2000, whenever, you know, he had that downfall, and go around and tell people that, listen, I don't have money. Okay, I need work. Please give me work. Okay, there is no shame. Reach out. Everybody knows what is happening. And the most important thing we need to tell everybody is that, you know, you're not in it alone. Everybody is going through it. The richest man today has to worry about how he's going to pay the salaries of his 4,500 or 4.5 lakh employees.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
So I think we need, and the most important thing is, as Neetu has been saying, is we need to share. Okay, so pick up the phone, share with your parents, share with your friends, share with your colleagues, share with your spouse, share with your children. You know, I'm telling employers to share. You know, a lot of employers have been calling me up, including doctors, saying that we had salaries for these many months. Now we don't have salaries to give. How do we have that conversation with our employees? You know, and I think we have to start having these difficult conversations, because people also realize it. You know, when you had money, you were giving it to them. It's not that you were not giving it to them. Today, if you don't have, you know, you need to be able to share it and talk about it. And just one thing I need you to tell all the youth out there, that whatever happens, death is not the answer.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You know.
Absolutely. Wow, Neetu.
Sorry, उल्टा दिख रहा है?
नहीं, सीधा दिख रहा है. सीधा दिख रहा है. No, death is.
This is a book by Anjali.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And even my article is also there in this.
I think that title of the book and what Dr. Anjali said is so very apt, but unfortunately a lot of the suicidal tendencies are coming up. And I think one of the bigger challenges is not being able to manage our ego. That ego which is killing us.
Right.
नहीं बोलना है, नहीं शेयर करना है, किसके साथ शेयर करें. हमारा ego बहुत ज़्यादा है. And again, my personal experiences have been that children who are getting into the first job today or in the 20s and 30s have not encountered rejection in the past, especially people coming from well-to-do families. They've got everything on a platter. Rejection किसी को मिला ही नहीं. तो आज जब first rejection आया, they're not able to handle it. So how do you handle rejection? Neetu, I'm sure you have had multiple rejections in life. We are all, like Brian Tracy says, we are all professional failures. कभी success मिलता है.
See, I know, in fact, if I do a party, okay, I never ask कितना अच्छा था or something. I will ask कि कौन सी चीज खराब थी, please let me know so that I can improve. You know, criticism helps us to grow. Okay, and it's a everyday learning. It's not that कि मुझे सब कुछ मालूम है, कुछ नहीं. आपको पता नहीं किससे क्या चीज मिल जाए. You know, that's why dialogue is very important. You know, at this time also, rather than being khali. In my society, trust me, I never knew anybody. Matlab more than 1 or 2 people. But during this pandemic, I have made that effort to talk to people जिनसे बात भी नहीं करती थी पहले. मतलब क्योंकि टाइम ही नहीं था. Apart from talking from my security guards and asking them how they're doing and all, because it's very important. Even they are humans. And being in this line, I take work. मतलब कि मैं कहीं free का भी कर दूं, right from a peon to a Ambani. You know, because the dignity of life is very important for me. You know, you have to give the same respect. Like you can command respect, you can't demand it. You know, that's what I have learned.
No, agree. I agree. That has been your life journey. But my question still remains to you is, our generation still had rejections. We did not get life on a platter. Like I know I got my cycle, but पिताजी बोलते थे कि आपको first 3 में आओगे स्कूल में तब आपको cycle मिलेगा. My first day. So we have handled rejection. Today's people can't handle rejection. So अब क्या बोलोगे इनको? आज जब rejection आ रही है.
See, I'll give you my house ka example. Okay. Like my eldest son, Ishan, okay, he always said, Mom, I want to become an actor. Maybe, even I had as a child, so it came in his genes. I want to become an actor. Okay. When being from a Kais family, you know how education and all, he was very scared of my brothers. Ki kya bolenge, actor banna hai. So uh, I said, okay. I never said ki don't become an actor, be an engineer, be this. मैंने बोला ठीक है. We also need to listen to what they are trying to say. Okay. And but of course, because I chant, because I pray, because I have the wisdom. Okay. So I kept on saying, in my head, it was always there. Ki Ishan should have a parallel career, whether he wants to become an actor or whether he wants, where there is a continuous flow of income. Because later in life, right? Later in life, you never know कि एक actor बन के भले ही छोटा सा role मिले और like in today's time, all the poor thing, all the strugglers, everyone have gone back to their home. उनको rent pay करने के लिए नहीं है, लोग निकाल दे रहे हैं उन्हें, उनके landlord ये भी नहीं सोच रहे बेचारे आए हैं काम करने के लिए. They have all left our city. You also must have heard about it.
Absolutely.
And like many of them, yeah, they are my friends. Like I know how it is. So fortunately, Ishan also loves this. He was also always a fat child, so he loved gymming and things like that right from the age of 18. Hello.
Yes.
You can hear.
Yes.
Yeah, right from the age of 18. Okay, and somehow or the other, he started. He found his passion. He found his passion. He started this EMS, which is electromagnetic stimulator. It's a form of exercise, okay, half an hour exercise. He started that gym. So almost more than 12 centers within 6 months he has in India. Okay. Now during this pandemic also. So right from Shah Rukh Khan to everybody is doing that. Yeah. I'm not trying to boast, but I'm telling ki how his passion also got into a profession. And of course, last night he was telling me ki, Mom, thank God I'm not in that media line. Though he did one movie, but I never told him कि नहीं बेटा ये नहीं करना है, तुम्हें इंजीनियर ही बनना है, तुम्हें डॉक्टर ही बनना है हमें, because we have to handle the kids differently today. It's not like every generation year अभी 6 months पे every सबके अलग अलग है, but we should know how to handle. जैसे अगर बच्चा को पढ़ाई में मन नहीं लग रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, okay, कोई बात नहीं, let him do, her or she do whatever she likes. There are so many things. Music directors हैं, कितने लोग जो बड़े बड़े हो गए, पता है चला है कि वो पढ़े भी नहीं थे.
Correct.
So it's not about, so we as parents or whatever, we shouldn't be supposing like I'll say कि अगर किसी का, like I know my younger son, second son, he was like, he's very intelligent. Okay, but he used to hate studies. So once he told me, Mom, I've got 3 in maths. He came and told me, Mom, I'm dyslexic in maths. I've got 3. So I said, no problem, beta. It's okay. So what I did, in Jamnabai only, I went to the principal since I was catering there. I said, listen, I'm putting him in NIOS. He said, you've gone mad. Neetu, what's wrong with you? I said, yeah, NIOS, he has to pass, right? So I put him in that NIOS, and today, believe me, he joined my brother later on. Okay, he's working with my brother. My parents, my brothers, they're like father figures to the children, and like I'm really happy to have such a supportive family. And today, my brother says he's doing so well. He's the most intelligent guy on earth. वही लड़का जिसको नंबर 3 नहीं मालूम था. हाँ, but like both the kids are doing well. अभी pandemic में भी सबको पतला तो होना ही है ना, तो the income is there. It's not that. So we are like friends. We have to treat them like friends. We have to talk to them. Like we three sit down. We talk about anything and everything. There is nothing not a taboo. और मैंने शुरू से इनको बोला था, ये नहीं कि ये बच्चा खराब है, वो बच्चा खराब है. I used to say, बेटा जिसको बुलाना है घर में बुला लो, right? There is food, there is everything. I said, but don't go and disturb another household. So there are friends, abhi tak, like Jamna Bai ke, my children have grown up, but everyone keeps on coming. They like, agar koi problem hoga kisi ko, my son will say, go and talk to mom, please. They'll call them, go and talk to mom. So it is like that, So you have to have that rapport with your kids, ये नहीं कि वो बच्चे हैं तो छोड़ दिया, आप अपने में लगे रह गए मियाँ बीवी. लड़ाइयाँ होती रही, खर्चा ये है, ये बच्चे का ये खर्चा है, at least even give them their space also. That's what I want to say, मतलब we shouldn't pressurize this kid at all कि और marks ज्यादा लाना है, पढ़ो पढ़ो पढ़ो, हाय मेरा बच्चा पढ़ नहीं रहा है, क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. Don't worry, fail भी होगा, 10 बार fail करने दो, लेकिन मतलब गिर के उठेगा तो सही, right? So that is like, I feel कि that is what we all need. मतलब it's not only for, it's for everybody, it's for the youth also. जैसे कोई बोलता है कि हाय मेरी ये पिक्चर फेल हो गई या ये, like there are like media तो भरा हुआ है चारों तरफ.
No, because everywhere there is
okay.
only, it's everywhere. Everyone only talks the negative side. Positive side बोलने के लिए कोई तो होना चाहिए. So before I open up this room for any questions or any comments that anyone would have, I have only two things to say. One, this is the first time we are talking so much between Neetu and I. We on and off used to speak once in a while regarding the food venture and other things. So one day I called her up for something and I was sounding very low. उसने बोला क्या हुआ? मैंने बोला मेरा वो ऑफिस में challenges चल रहे हैं, नौकरी का ये है. She says, don't worry. This Sunday, when I'm in my Buddhist chanting, I'll pray for you. I'll chant for you. And that is what epitomizes Neetu for me. That she doesn't look left, right, up, ऊपर, नीचे. जिसके लिए भी उसको pray करना है वो कर देगी. I think that is what is Neetu Ghosh, the individual. And I'm so grateful to you, Neetu. I'm so grateful to you, Dr. Anjali, that you found the time and you shared your thoughts. And I hope that some people who will be listening to this live or who will listen to this post with the recording will take inspiration from you that life is not over till it's over. And let's not force that over on us. That is destiny. जब होगा तब होगा. फूल को खिलने के बाद गिरने दो. आधी खिली हुई फूल को गिरने मत दो जमीन पे. And I hope and pray that you continue to do all the great work that you are doing, Neetu, and holding people, managing them, managing emotions. Finances तो ठीक है, manage हो जाता है, but emotion manage करने वाला कोई बहुत कम लोग हैं आज की तारीख.
आज पैंडेमिक में सब लोग 4 कपड़ा के सिवा और कुछ पहन रहा है.
Exactly.
सब कपड़े रखे हुए हैं, सब कुछ वैसे ही रखा हुआ है. Ultimately क्या कर रहे हैं? We don't need. We have gone back to the basics, how we grew up. 4 कपड़े रहते थे, वो हम धो के प्रेस करके फिर एक आंटी के घर, दूसरे आंटी के घर, सबके घर जाते रहते थे.
Absolutely. गाड़ियां भी है, गाड़ियां लेके बाहर जाओगे कहाँ पे आप?
हाँ, सब पड़ी हुई हैं.
सब पड़ी हुई है ना, साफ करने के लिए भी कोई, धोने के लिए भी कोई नहीं है वो.
Exactly.
So what are we doing with our life? How do we come out of that materialistic life and become? Material is important. I'm not saying that नहीं वो संत बन जाना चाहिए कि फोन मत रखो, लैपटॉप मत रखो, गाड़ी मत रखो. But please connect with human beings more.
Yes, it's very important. It's very important.
That is my takeaway from this fabulous session from Neetu Ghosh, which was and the icing on the cake was Dr. Anjali coming and giving those five ways how to split that day into 5 days. I'm opening up this room for anybody who wants to comment anything or ask Neetu anything that they want. So I'm unmuting everybody, but please only one at a time, please, or comments. I've had so many comments coming up that Neetu, you're an inspiration. Your gems, your inspiration. So I've got so many comments. You will obviously get to hear them. But anybody wants to say anything, I think that there's Mr. Tagore here, Mr. Khatri. I think Mr. Khatri really should say something because he's somebody who has been closely associated with Neetu. Mr. Shekhar is here.
Can I say something before? I need to go for another seminar. So thank you so much. And nice meeting you, Malloy and Neetu. I love you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Anjali, for coming in and spending the time with us. Mr. Khatri. You're on mute, Mr. Khatri. If you can kindly unmute yourself.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, please, loud and clear.
Yeah. Somewhere in 2013, or was it 2006? Sorry. In 2006, Anjali just suggested that she is going to start a support group for senior citizens, whether I would be interested in joining. So I joined the group, but gradually she put me in charge of that group. And since then, we have been meeting without fail every second Saturday. And one thing that she told me, that it is an open house, anybody can come, there is no membership. And please don't, strictly no contribution to be collected from anyone. कुछ भी खर्चा होता है मुझे बोल दो, it will be met. And then we have been meeting, and lots of celebrities and other people have been coming to our meetings as guests. So we have no fixed agenda. So we discuss any topic under the sun which can be of benefit to the senior citizens. We have entertainment programs, we have educational programs on health, and so many things, whatever the senior citizens need.
So once the lockdown ends and once this meeting restarts, I'll certainly want to come and attend one of your sessions along with my mother, who's 76 years old. And at the ripe old age of 72, she started thinking of doing her own business in Bengali cuisine. So Neetu, you will have to let me know. And with your permission, I would want to come in and meet all of you there. Mr. Shekhar wanted to say something.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. First of all, I must thank Neetu ji for inviting me here. I really enjoyed this session. It was wonderful. And, Neetu happens to be my sister-in-law, and we are probably seeing each other for the first time like this. So it was wonderful. And just one input. I really enjoyed the talk, as I said. And I am really happy to know that people are working for the senior citizens. That's something which we need to, really keep them in our daily routine and prayers and our daily functioning. What I do, as we say that we catch them young when we talk about children, I also catch them. I do a lot of work on senior citizens, and I catch them young. I tell the corporates, I'm a corporate trainer, I tell the corporate, please introduce me to the lot which is getting retired, people who are 55 plus. And that is the time we discuss plans with them as to what they want to do in life. So that's the time if we make them organize. Most of the people who are getting retired think that their life will be settled. They look after the grandchildren. They'll probably do some kind of gardening and stuff. We need to tell them they need to keep themselves active. There's no age, as Neetu said, there's no age where you should get old. Physically, you get old because you think you're getting old.
Correct.
If you stop thinking that you're getting old, you'll never get old. That's what I have to say. Thank you so much.
So from where
I want to,
Shekhar?
Mullah, Shekhar is in Lucknow. He's speaking from Lucknow.
Oh,
yeah,
fantastic.
I'm from Lucknow.
Fantastic, Mr. Shekhar, for logging in from Lucknow. Thank you so much. And I think it's a fabulous job that you're doing, taking care of the senior citizens, because they are the people who I think are the most lost in today's world. Because there's nobody for them, especially with the nuclear family concept that has come out, especially in the metros. So thank you everyone for coming in. Yes, Mr. Tagore. Yes, Mr. Tagore.
When is the next?
Can you just unmute yourself, Mr. Tagore?
See, when is the next session?
This is to a question to Neetu. Neetu, this is for you. You're
Of course.
Yeah. Once the pandemic is over, okay, so we will have it, and I'll surely invite.
Sorry, it will never be over.
I know that.
Then
तो हम मिलेंगे Zoom पे.
हाँ, वही बोला ना, Zoom पे कब मिलेंगे?
मैं तुरंत कर रही हूँ organize. बोलिए, आप लोग को बोलने की देरी है खाली.
क्या बात है. So
really, yeah, I'll tell you, really we enjoyed. That's why I've asked, when is the next?
Yeah, surely, turant.
Thank you so much. So there is Miss Vinita Sinha who's asking a question from Dubai.
Yeah. Hello. She is my elder brother's wife. She's my bhabhi, my elder bhabhi.
So she's asking, is there anything in Dubai for the senior citizens? She wants you to open a arm
yes, bhabhi. We'll start it over there also.
We'll start over there also. I think senior citizens all over the world need
They
our.
can join. They can join. They can join the Zoom calls. I'll give you the ID every time that we have.
Fantastic, fantastic. I think globally, it's a global challenge with families, nuclear
Yeah,
families.
and
Yes, Neetu.
Mola, I wanted to add a few points that I may
Please,
have
please,
missed
please
out.
carry on. Please carry on.
Okay. See, like addressing depression in the current times. Okay, like if you see a person, this is for everybody, right? If you see someone who is suddenly sleeping a lot, okay, who is suddenly sleeping a lot, मतलब खा के मतलब ठीक है घर में है लेकिन सो रहा है, उठ के खाना खा के वापस सो जा रहा है, okay, so that is first sign, that person is depressed, okay. And someone who's eating extra or has stopped eating, that is a second sign that the person is depressed. And someone from your WhatsApp group suddenly logs out, okay, then you as a responsible person has to find out why has the person logged out. You never know, maybe that person is going through something.
Correct.
Something. So this is for each one of us. It's not that professional doctors and all, they don't go through depression and things. Even they have pills.
Correct.
And trust me, like going to a psychiatrist is not a taboo at all. If it is not like earlier times में था, अभी कुछ नहीं. Loneliness होता है, आप जाओ. See, आपका पेट खराब होता है, आप जाते हो, दवाइयाँ लेते हो कि नहीं? अब लेते हो ना. माइग्रेन होता है, दवाई लेते हो ना. तो अगर माइंड में कुछ उथल पुथल हो रही है, प्लीज कुछ नहीं तो टेल योर फ्रेंड. और इफ दैट फ्रेंड का if you can't help out, but try to reach out to the family and take them. Otherwise you never know कि क्या हो जाए. क्या हो जाए next moment. You shouldn't regret, oh, I wish that person was saying
correct.
I'm going through a tough time.
Correct.
I didn't inform.
Correct.
I didn't take him to a doctor. Oh shit, मैंने ये कर दिया था, ये कर दिया होता. Like for me, there was my family, right, who took me to Anjali. And Anjali became a very dear friend because I used to talk to her everything. Whatever I felt, मालूम नहीं ऊट पटू, मुझे तो याद भी नहीं है मैं क्या बोलती थी. But she listened to me. She listened to me. So we need someone. And if someone, okay, you'll have a meeting, जो suddenly बोलता है कि यार मेरे को तो, मैं तो उब चुका हूँ या चुकी हूँ लाइफ से, मेरे को तो लगता है कि लाइफ तो खत्म. तो don't say कि चल let's go for a holiday, okay, तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. It's not that. You have to say, you have to take that person to a psychologist or psychiatrist, whatever, because वो person के दिमाग में कहीं ना कहीं ये suicide वाली चीज है ना चल रही है. We have to remember that. क्योंकि इतने cases बढ़ गए, you all know. इतने cases बढ़ गए. It's very sad. And see, the person goes away, but imagine what about the family? Like sometimes I used to think, कि oh shit, what all I tried to do. What must my family gone through in
Would
that
have gone
period?
Through, yeah.
Yeah. But लेकिन क्या है, उस समय दिमाग काम ही नहीं करता. You never know. उस समय दिमाग काम ही नहीं करता. So as each one of us, whoever is there right now in the forum, आप लोग अपने friends को बोल सकते हैं, सबको बोल सकते हैं. But please address, because this is a very serious issue in our society today. Mental health is most very important.
I totally agree with you, Neetu, and thank you very much for all your views. My only suggestion is I will share this video with the recording with me, and please share it, because let lot more people get to know these thought processes. And I think it is on ourselves. Let's not talk about anybody else. If all of us can just keep these triggers in mind, जो आपने last में कहा कि somebody dropping out from the WhatsApp group, is somebody sleeping more, is somebody not talking at all. If all of us can just keep those antenna out and look around our small group of people, we can all, each one of us can help and support at least one individual on this planet, if not more. So on that note, Neetuji, thank you so much for coming, and thank you for everything.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everybody.
everyone.
Thank
It was
you,
a pleasure.
everyone. It was a pleasure, and it was not only heart-wrenching to start off with when you told us about your life story, but it was also so enlightening about what we as individuals can do to ensure that mental health problem can be reduced. Thank you so much, Neetuji.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
And
Thank you,
everybody.
everyone.
Thank you, everybody, for logging in.
everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.